Hi, my name is Miss Alander. I'm the music teacher here at Bel Air, and I found this really cool book I'd like to read to you today. It's called The Very, Very, Very Long Dog, and it's by Julia Patton. And you can see there he is on the front. He's really kind of cool there, isn't he? This is Bartleby. Well, this is the bottom anyway. And then you can see, look how long he is. Wow. Bartleby is a very, very, very long sausage dog who's lucky enough to live in this beautiful old bookstore. And you can see, look at that big bookstore. And look, you can't even see all of the dog there. There's only a part of him. There's his head. Every day, Bartleby eats breakfast whilst reading his favorite books. Then his special friends take him for his morning walk around town. Bartleby loves his home, his walks, and his friends. Life couldn't be any better. There he is in the bookstore, and there he is with some of his friends. Yeah, this is so cool. You're going to like this book. Except Bartleby is so long, he's not always quite sure where his bottom is. His walk started out great. And then he's taking a walk. You see all these places he's going? But unfortunately, it didn't always end up so well. His friends tried their best to help him clean up the mess that he made. Bartleby didn't even know he was making a mess. This is getting a little weird, isn't it? Oh, that poor man, he's losing his glasses. I would hate that. Day after day, they carefully trotted across Main Street. But his blundering backside caused a calamity. Oh, Bartleby! Oh my goodness, looks like there's a fire hydrant there. That's going to be a problem. They cautiously took a diversion around the construction site. And you can see all the cones there in the construction site. But his bungling behind created even more chaos. Oh no, look, there's wet cement. Oh, Bartleby. One day, Bartleby's reckless rear made so much mayhem that not even his friends could fix it this time. Oh, Bartleby. Oh, that man's got paint all over him. That would be terrible. Help, ouch, crash. Oh, he's still having problems. Bartleby heard yelling and shouting, and he turned back to investigate. He would get to the bottom of this and find the culprit. Now, who could it be? He's not sure. Oh, look there. He sees the tail end of the person or the dog that's causing the problem. Oh, my goodness. Oh, and he's growling at him. Grrr. Bite. He took a bite right out of his own backside. Poor Bartleby didn't even realize that it was his own bottom that had caused all the crashing and bashing, making everyone unhappy. He ran all the way home, and he was so sad he didn't read his favorite bedtime story. But he did eat his dinner. He at least got to eat his dinner. He vowed never to leave the bookstore again. Now, on the one page, you just see where he took a bite out of his own backside. Oh, my goodness, that would hurt. But now he's very sad. Bartleby's friends were heartbroken to see him so sad. They loved him just the way he was. They rummaged through all the bookshelves, and they were searching for an answer. They concocted the most marvelous plan that just might make Bartleby feel better. They created a very special gift, a gift for Bartleby to help himself. Let's see what they made. Oh, I don't know. I'll have to open it up. Every day, Bartleby still eats his breakfast while reading his favorite books. His special friends still take him for his morning walk around town. But now, Bartleby is absolutely sure where his bottom is. Look, they put a little yellow light and cone, and now he'll never have a problem again. He'll know right where his bottom is. It says it's a very long vehicle. That is a long dog, isn't it? Oh, Bartleby. I just love this book, and I loved it so much that I'm donating it to Bel Air's library so that you can check this book out and see all the really cool pictures. I hope you enjoyed this Bel Air bedtime story. Thank you.